Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Isulfi Fadila. I am from Universitas Bina Sarana Informatika. In this first part of the video, I am going to share my opinion about the match between Indonesia versus Saudi Arabia. So, let's take a look at what I think. The match between Indonesia and Saudi Arabia in the World Cup qualifier ended with a 3-2 win for Saudi Arabia. At first, it looked like a close fight, but this wasn't. This defeat revealed something far deeper: chaos behind the team. And the worst part, Indonesia's dream to reach the World Cup is over. Let's be honest, Indonesia didn't play well. The defense was messy, transitions were slow, and coordination was weak. Saudi Arabia easily found space and punished every mistake. Even both of Indonesian goals came only from penalties, not from open play. That's not strategy, that's a sign of weakness. The player looked nervous, communication broke down, and discipline faded when the game got dark. But the biggest problem was on the veil. It came from the federation. Right before this crucial round, PSSI suddenly fired Coach Sintayong, the man who built this team spirit, and they replaced him with Patrick Clifford, a big name, yes, but at the wrong time. This change broke the team rhythm, and that confusion saw on the field: chaotic, uncoordinated, and powerless. This loss wasn't just about tactic, it's about poor management and bad decision. Indonesia keeps repeating the same mistake: losing chance, losing patient, and blaming others instead of fixing the system. It's time to stop making excuses. Football is will vision, not impulse. Until real change happen, we'll keep losing. Different opponent, different scores, but the same story. Because with that change, the dream of Garuda in the World Cup will stay just a dream. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Isul Fikri Fadila. Student number 1725036. I am from Universitas Bina Sarana Informatika with study program Teknologi Informasi. Today, I will present about adverb of frequency for English subject. Let's start the presentation. This is the topic I will discuss in my presentation. And next, what is an adverb of frequency? We often hear questions such as how often do you study English, or how often do you check social media, or how often do you exercise. We make answer by saying always, sometimes, or rarely. Those words are called adverb of frequency, and that's what we will learn today. We will move on to the definition of adverb of frequency. So, the definition of adverb of frequency is word used to indicate how often an activity or event occur. An example, I always wake up at 4 a.m. I usually have breakfast with coffee and bread, or I often exercise on weekend. Typ- Types of adverb of frequency. There are two main types of adverb of frequency. The first one is definite frequency, which show exact time like once a week or every Sunday. And the second one is indefinite frequency, which doesn't show exact number like always or sometimes. Type 1 is definite frequency. Definite frequency refers to a specific pattern in which an event occurs regularly and can be measured precisely in a specific number. Type 2 is indefinite frequency. There are five levels often used in the indefinite adverb of frequency. Level 1 is 100%. Adverb that fall into this category indicate an activity that is carried out every time without exception. The example, always, every time, and constantly. Next, level 2, 60% to 70%. If there is an action or activity that mostly occur frequently, but is not always done, then use it adverb usually, often, frequently, and regularly. And level 3 is 50%. Well, to state the activity only occur about 50% of your time. For example, a verb doesn't can be used include sometimes, occasionally, and seldom. And level 4 is 10% to 20%. There is a verb which can help you convey activity that occur very often or are almost never done. The example is rarely and hardly ever. And last is 0%. Adverb in this category indicate event that never occurs at all. The example is never and not once. Here is a pyramid that shows how often something is done. The lower done it is, the more often an activity is done. Conversely, the higher up it is, the less often an activity is done, or even never done. Next, in this slide, we will discuss the formula that will be used to implement this adverb in a sentence. There are five types of formula. Type 1 is adverb of frequency for verbal sentence. Next, type 2. Type 2 is adverb of frequency in nominal sentence. Next is type 3. In type 3 is adverb of frequency for emphasis. Then type 4. In type 4 is adverb of frequency in the question sentence. And last type is adverb of frequency with modal verbs and auxiliary verb. Next is example adverb of frequency. First, example of definite adverb of frequency. Second, example of indefinite adverb of frequency. Next, here are some example sentences that use definite adverb of frequency. An example is indefinite adverb of frequency. And last, summary of adverb of frequency. And that's all I can say. I apologize if any of my words have offended you. I am Muhammad Isul Fikri Fadila. Thank you.